lesson 2 of capital punishment. You have already watched the history of capital punishment documentary and taken some notes and answered those questions and hopefully submitted it to me. The next thing we're going to be having a look at is methods of capital punishment. One of the things we have to look at Nat 5 and higher is how humane capital punishment is, and the DVD or the video movie that we've got to watch for this one is very good at explaining how the methods of punishment are humane or not humane. Now, our learning intentions we're going to have a look at today are the exact same as what we were looking at prior. So show in-depth knowledge and understanding of capital punishment, analyse religious and non-religious responses to capital punishment, and evaluate religious and non-religious responses to capital punishment. We're going to be focusing on the knowledge and understanding of capital punishment in this lesson. So what I want you to do is first make sure you've got a Google Documents file open, and this will be ready to submit to myself. So I have also attached a file where it's got all the methods of execution in a document, and that is what I want you to be submitting to me. So you can always add that to that Google Docs as well. So what methods of execution do you know of in the world today? I want you to pause the video, write down your answers. There may be several, but think about today. Don't think about much about the history, but what do you think's happening today? So, these are only a few methods that are being used at the moment. Obviously, they are used in certain countries or certain states in America. So first of all, we've got lethal injection. Second, hanging, firing squad, and electric chair. You could always find beheading as well in the Middle East, or you could find other methods that are used by tribes or people in different countries as well. There are 2 definitions I would like you to copy down. Make sure you've always got this available for you. If you're not able to print it off, you can always send it to me when we're back at school and I can print this all off for you. So the definitions are humane. So are things humane? This is, are things showing compassion or having a civilising effect on people? Are they making people's life harder? Would be not humane. A definition of ethical. So are things ethical? Are things morally good or morally wrong? Or are they the correct thing for people to be doing? And relating to a moral principle. So are they ethical? Are they ethically correct when you're looking at the Bible? Are they ethically correct when you're having a look at the Quran or the Dhammapada? So the video task that I want you to have a look at is Michael Portillo's documentary on how to kill a human being. You will see no human being being killed in the video, which is a good thing. There is some things that you do need to watch out for, but I'll put the minutes in for you in Google Classroom. So what I want you to do is fill in the strengths and weakness sheets after watching the video. Pause the video while you're filling it out, and then that means you can take a break and fill in the information per method that we come across in the video. The last task that I want you to be doing, and this is for everyone, for Nat 4, Nat 5, higher, is answering the questions with relevant, accurate and developed points. I want you to be describing 2 methods of capital punishment. Explain the implications of these 2 methods of capital punishment. So are they ethical? Are they humane? And provide your own opinion on how humane these methods of execution are. This should take you approximately 2 periods of RMPS, which is 2 50-minute slots. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to email me at all.